Hi guys, what's up and welcome back with another video. I hope all of you are fine and doing great. So in this video we are just sharing amazing and beautiful photo shoot of Stefan Hauser. Some beautiful amazing picture and photography captured during his performance on Europe stages. All those pictures are very amazing and very beautiful and eye-catching, heart-melting and memorable. Some pictures are very amazing and very awesome. Stefan Hauser is also do some athletic stunts during his performance. He is an energetic guy and very beautiful as well. So that's it. I hope you guys love this picture. If you do, then hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe. Must share your favorite picture in all these pictures in a comment section. See you soon. Bye bye.